Hello and welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary and welcome to another Craft Day Monday, where every Monday I post a new video. In today's video we're going to be making a K-cup holder, something that I can put my K-cups in, because this is how I've been storing them and I need something better than this. So we're going to be making a K-cup holder using Dollar Tree items. So I got one of these little baskets from Dollar Tree. This is also one of the little oven cover, or yeah, it goes on top of your stove and it covers your burner. It's a burner cover, and so you're gonna need one of these, and I got the smaller one. And I also got one of the daiquiri glasses from Dollar Tree, but I went ahead and spray painted mine red because everything in my kitchen is basically red and black. And also I got this brand of spray paint, and this is a brand that I've already had on hand because I wanted to spray paint my glass. So yeah, and this is basically a daiquiri glass from Dollar Tree. And I went ahead and traced out a cardboard circle, and I spray painted that red too. This is the back. And I basically, all I did was set this basket on top of some cardboard and just traced it and then cut it out. So that's all you're going to need, and you're going to need either E6000 or hot glue. For the video, I am going to be using hot glue. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera down so we can get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cup that we have here, or our glass, our daiquiri glass that we have here, and we're going to take that piece of cardboard, because if you, it's the daiquiri glass, it's got like a little, it don't set flat. So when you put your basket on here, it kind of leans a little bit. So it kind of leans a little bit. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and put some hot glue right directly on the glass. So let's grab a glue gun or a glue stick, and we're just going to squeeze this on. And you want to put a good amount. So I'm just going to put a good amount. And then I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to set this on here, making sure that I get everything nice and even. So I'm just going to turn it this way. And I'm just going to turn it back. And we're just going to, I'm going to take my basket. I'm going to try to turn my camera up a little more. So I got my basket. There we go. And I am just going to put a little more hot glue right across the base of it. I'm going to grab another glue stick, and we're just going to continue to go around. And try not to get any in the middle. And then we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to set this on here. And we're just going to make sure that it's nice and even. And we're just going to hold that here for a little bit. So just give it a little bit of pressure. And I'm just going to set this to the side and let that dry. Now we're going to bring our lid here. And this is what I'm going with, because I am going to be putting K-cups in here. So this is, I figured this would be something neat that we can use. And I took one of the little knobs that I have. I got these in a bag of wood items that I bought at a garage sale. And I went ahead and I spray painted that white. So we have that here. And I am just going to go ahead and Okay, let's see if we can get rid of this light. There's a glare. Okay. Hopefully that helps a little bit. So, I'm just going to go ahead and pick out where I want this to be. And I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue right on it. And we're just going to go ahead and stick this right in the middle. And we're just going to let that dry. Now, I'm not going to try to lift up and pull on it. And I'm going to bring this back. And we're just going to turn this up a little. And I am just going to go ahead and set this on top of here because this is how it's going to go. Just like this. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my K-cups in there. I'm sorry if y'all hear the dogs barking. My husband just got home from work, and my girls know it. And they're happy to see their daddy. So I am just going to go ahead and stick some K-cups because this is basically what I got it for. And we're just going to go ahead and stick this down off in there just like this. And I'm not going to put too many in because I'm not sure how many it can hold just yet. And then you're just going to stick this right on top. Just like this. And there you have it. So now we can put that right back on there. And there we have it. So this is it. This is our little coffee holder. Or for our K-cups. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera back up so y'all can see me. So let's just bring this back. So yeah, that is it. Here's our little K-cup holder. Here it is. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become part of my YouTube family. And also, don't forget to set your post notification, meaning ring the bell. That way, whenever I post a new video like this one, you'll always be notified. And with that being said, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch one of my videos. And I hope y'all all have a very nice night. Bye.